Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. TWRP or any custom recovery helps you to install third-party firmware like custom ROM, Android version, custom kernel, etc. This is a must step for becoming a pro user. So if you haven't installed custom recovery, check in the description below. I am going to talk a little bit about the installation process. There is two ways of installing TWRP. First, with PC using Odin fast boot load menu. Second method without PC, but only supported with rooted mobile phones. I didn't make that video because in my opinion there are very good tech YouTube videos. I have searched about all the YouTube videos and present you the best. Please check them in the description. If I had done a video that wouldn't be as good as there. Now let's head to the video. Different mobile has different steps for recovery menu. Many call it a bootload menu, fast boot menu, etc. etc. There is a awesome website for this, hardreset.com. In your mobile, just go to Google Chrome and search hardreset.com. So, just search hard reset and click on the first link www.hardreset.info. Then tap on that. In here you have to give your mobile model number. Mine is Samsung Galaxy SMG313HU. There is SMG. Then search. Yes. So keep in mind that you have to put your model number very carefully. Then here is my Samsung Galaxy 313H. This is my mobile phone. You can see. Here is the process. I will show you. Like this. There's also a tutorial video. Okay. Let's do that. Okay. আমার নখটা খুব গেত্রা হয়ে গেছে এটা ভিডিওতে দিবা yeah হয়েছে অফ করো